Hello everybody, this is the first video of a very long serie. Even now I cannot tell you how many videos will follow about the restoration of my Jaguar X300. It's like a Netflix TV series. I'm not pretending to learn to anyone anything because I'm not professional. I'm just working in my garden as an amateur. And I would be really happy to see your comment and if ever to learn something about the restoration. So enjoy everyone. Feel free to comment, of course, once again. If you want to subscribe and click the bell like that, you will be advised when there is a new video. Cheers! Putain, it's fucking hot. There's 4 bolts, 2 in front, 2 at the rear, and I use T47, but because I think I don't have the good one. Let's see, T47 and then T50. Yeah, T50. It's T50. Don't forget to bring your seats in front, because after you could be bothered by this by the rail to remove the screw, and it's what happened to me. I know that already, but I did. And for me it's a nightmare to plug in back the battery, because everything is removed, everything. I fill up the hood, the trunk with the parts, and I'm lazy to do. Aye, the rats. so risky. And now you have two screws. I guess the two last screws to remove the center console. So et voilà. I removed the paint with the steel brush on the driller. And I'm started to unweld the support underneath the floor with the depointing drill. When it's becoming dusty or rusty, it means cross already one layer of steel. You can see by the welding points the shape of the supports underneath the floor. And by the way, if some of you know the use of this pastille, I don't know in English exactly, pastille, surrounded by a seal, I will show you by a circle on the video. If someone can tell me what's the use of that, it would help me. Here is one of the parts of the support I told you just before. I will sandblast this area because it's hidden after when I will put back, when I weld back the plate and the floor here. Here is the result. Not bad, not bad. But I guarantee you it's difficult to do, especially with the sandler. Oof. After 15 seconds, you cannot see anything. See you on next episode for some patches and welding. Cheers!